Good morning, student. I am Srikant Adhikari, Rajkamal Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Dhanbad. Today, I will teach you another topic of accounting, which is called objectives of accounting. I already discussed about the meaning of accounting, accountancy, bookkeeping in the last two videos. Today, my video is related to the objectives of accounting. Like characteristics, accounting has some important objectives. So just I will discuss all the objectives one by one. First objective is maintaining accounting records. All the accounting information, all the business transactions are recorded in the books of accounts. The first objective of accounting is to maintain all the accounting records in journal or cash book or subsidiary book, so that all the users of the accounting information must know about the accounting. In accounting records, the accountant is bound to prepare journal, ledger, cash book, subsidiary book, and so many accounts. This is first objective. Second objective is determining profit or loss. It is most of the important of accounting is to find out the profit or loss of the business transactions in a particular accounting year. And for this purpose, income statement is prepared. In income statement, trading account and profit and loss account is prepared. By preparing trading account, gross profit or gross loss can be ascertained, and by preparing profit and loss account, net profit or net loss can be ascertained. But in case of company, instead of profit and loss account, a statement of profit or loss is prepared. So this is the second most important objective, to find out profit or loss. Second important objective is to determining financial position. Determining financial position. After finding out, after ascertaining the profit or loss of the business, it is required to prepare the financial position of the business. And for this purpose, a statement was prepared which is called balance sheet. In balance sheet, assets, liabilities and capital of the business are recorded. Balance sheet has two sides. In right side, assets are recorded, and in left side, liabilities and capital are recorded. Balance sheet is the mirror of the business. We can say that balance sheet is the mirror of the business, which reflects all the assets, liabilities and capital of the business. This is the most important objectives, determining financial position. Then, facilitating management. In accounting, management often requires financial information for decision making, effective control, budgeting and forecasting. So accounting provides financial information to the management for discharging the function. This is all about the facilitating of management. So management take decisions with the help of accounting records, accounting information. Second, next, providing accounting information to the users. As I already discussed in the last previous videos, there are two types of users of accounting informations: internal users and external users. So all the accounting information must be used, both the users, internal and external. With the help of accounting information, users can decide, can analyze about the business transactions, about the control of cost, about the recording of the transactions, everything. So it is very useful for the users. It may be of internal or external. And last, protecting business assets. With the help of accounting, records of assets owned by the business must be protected. It means in accounting, all the business assets are recorded, and assets already I discussed. Those things which have some monetary values, which the business possesses, are called assets. It means assets have some monetary values, or the business owes or business owns. So, the accounting information or accounting helps the protection of business assets precisely and faithfully. So, this is all about the objectives of accounting. And first, maintaining accounting records. Second, determining the profit or loss. Third, determining financial position. Fourth, facilitating management. Fifth, providing accounting information to the users. And last one, protecting business assets. This is all about objectives of the accounting. So my dear students, I hope you understand this topic very clearly. Next video, I will discuss about the advantages of accounting. Thank you.